It was another day of intense winter weather in Manitoba and southern Ontario on Sunday, with a number of highways closed for part of the day due to poor conditions. While people in Winnipeg and communities to the north like Selkirk and Gimli began to dig out after yet another dump of snow Sunday morning, communities to the south and west like Steinbach, Portage la Prairie, Morden-Winkler and Killarney came under blizzard warnings. A cold front moving through southern Manitoba overnight brought strong north winds of 50 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70 kilometers per hour, causing widespread blizzard conditions throughout the Red River Valley, according to Environment Canada. About 10 to 15 centimeters of snow fell overnight. That snow was expected to head east to the Whiteshell, Lac du Bonnet, Pinawa, Sprage and the Northwest Angled Provincial Forest. They were all under snowfall warnings, with 10 to 15 centimeters expected.
It's blizzarding.
A number of highways that were closed Sunday morning have since reopened, including sections of the Trans-Canada Highway, the Perimeter Highway around Winnipeg and Highway 75 from Winnipeg to the U.S. border.
Meanwhile, in Canada,
drivers should check the province's 511 website for the latest road conditions.
It's a big blizzard. Ooh.
While the blizzard warnings ended Sunday afternoon, they were followed by extreme cold warnings covering all of Manitoba except for a small corner in the southeast covering Sprague and the Northwest Angled Provincial Forest. The extended cold period is expected to last for much of the week. Environment Canada says the Arctic air mass will remain for the next several days, with wind chill values of -40 to -45 persisting through the latter part of the week.